I didn't wanna see you when you came home.
Dry ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Sieve the above dry ingredients, then mix it with the help of spoon and keep it aside. Buttermilk preparation: half cup milk, 1 spoon vinegar. Mix both the ingredients and keep it aside. Wet ingredients: 4 eggs,
You try so hard to pull me in.
1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat both the ingredients well with the beater, then add gradually 3/4 cup powdered sugar and beat until it comes to creamy consistency texture. Now add 1/4 cup sunflower oil,
You try so hard.
buttermilk,
She got me hooked up.
2 spoon edible food red color, and again beat it. Add to the wet ingredients the dry ingredients, that is all-purpose flour mixture, gradually and gently mix the batter.
Kingdom, serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck, but I hate it, we can't slay. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down, I ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes.
Pour the batter into the cake mold and bake for 45 minutes.
Someone heal me, I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me on me.
Cake frosting: 1 cup whipping chilled cream. Beat the whipping cream until you get stiff peaks. Decorate your cake according to your desire. The cake procedure is shown in the video.